light night. It's still a bit early. Some people have their lights up, but I just thought I would show you all a little bit of festivities. Anthony's here. He's driving. You can't really see him too much, but oh wait, he has a trick. There he is. So we're just going around our local neighborhood and looking at some Christmas lights, just to get in the festive spirit. Oh my God, we missed that one, but we'll probably turn around. We'll see if I can convince Anthony. Here's another one. Okay, it's so pretty. Turned around just for this because we saw it and we're like, whoa, look how festive. Look how pretty. It's so cute. Got all the little characters. Santa in a truck. Snowman. Oh my gosh, big Santa, hello. So festive. Festive. Oh my goodness, there's more. Look at all this. It's gonna go fast, but wow. Oh my goodness, they decorated so much. America. Cheers. Good morning, everybody. Good day. How are you? As you probably saw in the clips before this one, Anthony and I did a little impromptu Christmas light hunt, if you will. And we just went around our neighborhood or near our neighborhood and found a lot of people have decorated already. If you hear some noise, it's my nephew playing out there in the background. They're here. We just decided, you know what, this is fun. Let's go around and look at all like the little Christmas lights that everyone has, like, and all their decorations that everyone's put up so far. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. It is not morning anymore, by the way. It is, well, actually technically it is. It's 11:40. It's December 5th. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. I am doing every other one, so I'm only doing like the odds. I'm not doing the evens. But we just wanted to go around and just see a little bit of festive Christmas lights and such like that. I hope that today I have it to where we should be going to see a Christmas light show tonight, but I don't know if that is exactly happening or not. I hope it is, but we'll see if we can get some friends to come along too, because why not? It's a Christmas light show. It's great. It happens in the like biggest park that's near us. And I kind of wanted to go and like see that because we always, every year we look for Christmas lights and like Christmas light shows. I think we missed last year, but I mean, it's always magical to go and see that. I have a lot of editing to get done for my main channel, which is always linked in the description down below. Since on my vlog channel here, I'm doing odds, like the odd days of December. Over on my main channel, I'm doing evens. So you guys will get a video every single day in December if you watch both. Over there on that channel though, it is all design and illustration, all on my iPad. So everything is on the iPad over there. I'm doing lots of designs, 12 to be exact. If you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. It's very informative, I would say. I'm gonna get to editing. Oh, one thing, I the bamboo. Let me show you. If you guys remember previous Vlogmas of mine, these are my bamboos. This is Buddy. He is my main bamboo. This is the one I started with. I got gifted him by a friend who was moving. So I started with him, and then we went on to Benji. Benji grew up very quickly from Buddy. They were kind of like grouped together. So I transplanted him in these self-watering planters that Anthony so kindly printed for me. He has a 3D printer. And then Baby got transplanted yesterday into his own self-watering planter because I had him in this, which is also 3D printed. Isn't that cool? I had him in that, but he grew so much in just a week that I was like, you know what? He needs to be in one of these. So he's thriving. I called him Baby because, you know, he's the smallest. Benji grew so fast, so hence Benji. And then Buddy was number 1. So that's how they're doing. They look so cute. So that is how they are doing. They are thriving. And the Calusias are doing well too, the ones that I planted before. Back in Vlogmas day 1. Those are doing well. And I'm just gonna sit here, do a little bit of editing, and then hopefully tonight we'll get to see a Christmas light show. We'll see. I also ended up putting the wreath and the garlands, the light up garlands outside. I might show you that in a moment, but let's get to editing because I have 2 videos left to do for my main channel, and then I can focus more on Vlogmas for you guys. Alright, let's get started. Making these things. So
I made a lot of progress.
You have? What are you making? Candy cane?
Yeah, another candy cane.
What are you making over there?
A candy cane.
Another candy cane? I made a Santa.
She's only made one candy cane.
I haven't made a candy cane, but I made a Santa.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
Do-do-do-do. I'm gonna put him on the tree because I think it's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna put him right here by the gnome, and his hat makes a perfect little hanger thingy. Ta-da! There's my Santa. Cute. This is what the decor outside ended up looking like. This wreath has been with us for so many years. It's so old, as you can tell by this right here. They don't make this anymore. Sorry about the cicadas, by the way. Oh yeah, I also did my nails. Haven't done my nails in forever, but Anthony got me this color by Essie. It's called Belief in Yourself. I thought it was really cute. I added these to the wreath last year. It has like a little nutcracker man in the center. I added him a few years ago. But that's how it looks. And then we also have the banisters. And then my niece and nephew made this cute little wreath. Little like arts and crafts. And then they also made a candy cane. It's really long. And then you saw my Santa that I made earlier. It goes all the way down to that way. So that was the decor. It's so cute. Hello everyone. Okay, as you probably might be able to tell, it is much later. I ended up working a lot today, doing a lot of editing, especially for my main channel, but it is now about 7 o'clock. It's just been a really productive, busy day, but our plans for the Christmas light show fell through. Things just weren't going to work out very well with everyone's schedules and stuff, so instead we're going to do a little bonfire night, and Anthony will be here shortly, and then we will kick that off. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all for the next Vlogmas, which will be Vlogmas day 7, and I'll leave you a little festive aesthetic bonfire for the evening. Have a good night. Stay safe. I'll see you for Vlogmas Day 7.